So here let us consider the dynamic storage allocation problem, which goes with first fit, best fit and worst fit. We have three different algorithms. So here the given memory partition is of 100K, 500K, 200, 300 and 600, which is in same order. And the process size is represented in 212, 417, 112 and 426 in same order. So the memory size is given and the process size is given. We want to fit for first fit algorithm, best fit and worst fit, and we want to identify which algorithm is most efficient. So here I have mentioned the memory partitions of 100K to 600K in the same order which is given. So in the first fit, it takes the first hole which is free enough to fit in the process. Say for example 212, it finds the very first space which is efficient, which is accommodatable for the 212. So here the first fit algorithm chooses the slot of 512 and your first fit algorithm fits in this. And 417, it chooses the next free hole which can be accommodatable. So here it is 600. 417 is fit into the space of 600. The third is 112, takes up the next free hole which is of 100 and 200, 112 which fits here. Next is 426. This cannot be accommodated in any of the available holes. So 426 cannot be fit in the available memory space. So this is the case of the first fit. So 426 may not find a place to accommodate in the either of the given hole. So when the same is considered for the best fit, it chooses the best size of the memory partition whichever the process can be accommodated. Say for example 212, it finds the exact or closer to that hole. So 212 can be fit in the hole of 300. So 212 is fit in the whole space of 300. Next is 417. This 417 can be accommodated in the space of 500. So 417 fits into this in the case of best fit. So 112 chooses the hole of 200. This is the best hole to fit in it. So next 426. So 426 can be fit in with the hole of 600. So here all the process gets fitted into the holes whichever is available. So it chooses the best size of the available memory. So when you consider the worst case, it chooses the maximum size of the memory partition whichever is available. Say for example 212, the 212 will be fit into choose the hole of 600 in the case of worst fit. And 417, it chooses the next maximum which fits into the space of 500. So 417 fits into the space of 500. It chooses the next maximum. And 112 chooses the next maximum. Here the next maximum is 300. So 112 chooses the next maximum of 300. So next 426, it may not find a space in order to fit inside. So 426 is left unattempted. So in this case, if we consider first fit, best fit and worst fit, best fit plays an efficient algorithm out of all the three. So we can consider the best fit algorithm to fit in the process with the exact memory partitions.